excited for this shit. I just leave my trash so our assistant can clean it up. Thanks, Nicole. Dope. Lunch, lunch, lunch. Alright, you guys, took our first break. A little decent amount done. I really only took a break because I got to get the references for the snake heads themselves. I drew the snake bodies and stuff, but I did use a reference for the snake heads just because I wanted to get the angles anatomically correct and stuff, you know. I think that we'll get probably like the actual female face and the snakes done, and then we'll leave a lot for tomorrow, and then we'll leave the third day for tying in like some of the open gaps and shit. But today, so far, so good. So good. Here's Nicole trying to film me filming myself. And then here's young CEO out here in these streets. So far, so good. Done for today, day one, went great. Try not to kill him on the first time. We got all that shit to do, so, you know, day one went smooth though. Eve is already looking super dope. We're trying to strategically tackle this inside because this is a painful motherfucker right here, you know what I'm saying? So, we got the face done, we got a bunch of like snakes done because this is supposed to be a Medusa. Still got a lot of detail to do in these snakes over here and stuff, but you know, I think we found a good stopping point because reaching up any higher, you know, would have been doing a little bit too much. So it's really hard to like jump back into shit like that, especially since I gray line this part. But when you're doing ambitious work, man, you gotta do ambitious things. And this guy's a beast, so he's gonna take it regardless. It's a good amount of work for today, but we'll just jump back into it tomorrow. Stay tuned.